Hey gang, welcome back to another Lavender audio. This time this is not a formal audio roleplay, but some form of sleep aid where I sing you to sleep. I hope you enjoy how the ambience changes. If you like this sort of thing, please let me know, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Rest well.
Took a flight through a sky. Honestly, I didn't think about how we didn't say goodbye. Just I made a promise to distance myself. Took a flight through a sky. Honestly, I didn't think about how we didn't say goodbye. Just see you very soon. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. So I didn't call you for 16 more days. If I should get a cigarette where so much restraint, no matter how long I resist temptation, I will always lose. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. I've done the math, there's no solution, we'll never end. Why can't I let go of this? So I broke my promise. I called you last night. I shouldn't have, I wouldn't have, if it weren't for the sight of a boy who looked just like you, standing out on the rose avenue. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. It hurts to be something, it's worse to be nothing with you. you live in New York City, or a couple towns away, wherever you are, I jump in my car just to see you today. Will I meet you at a party? Sit next to you on a plane. Maybe I already know you and love you, but we'll fall in love someday. Dear soulmate, do you think of me? 'Cause I do. Do you have green eyes? Are they brown like mine? Do you have a sister too? Dear soulmate, one day I'll give this song to you. So we drive up to the mountains, camp in a little tent. When the bears come at night, will you put up a fight, or will you hide with me in my flashlight? Do you sleep on the right side? 'Cause I prefer the left. Will you make me put a toast perhaps some morning rose when I wake up and I'm sad? Dear soulmate, do you think of me? 'Cause I do. Do you have blue eyes? Are they brown like mine? Do you have a sister too? Dear soulmate, one day I'll give this song to you. Dear soulmate, I can't wait to fall in love with you. Beautiful stranger sitting right there, looked up at me and my dark curly hair, looked back for a second, didn't want to be rude. I tend to fall in love on the tube. Beautiful stranger sitting right there, reading the newspaper, stuck to his chair. I swore that he smiled and I felt my heart drop. Heard the doors we collided right then. I wonder if he felt the same too. He wanted to crush on the morning commute. What if I would have stayed on the train, dared to stand up and ask for his name? Maybe we would have exchanged a few words. A fairy tale moment could have occurred, but my beautiful stranger will have to remain a stranger until I see him again. See him my beautiful stranger will have to remain a love that came and left with this train. My beautiful stranger. Moved up to a new city, dreaming is going down on me, and all that I can find. A sickly romance in the air, lovers stroll without a care inside. Ooh, this can't be right. 'Cause the sun's engaged to the sky and my best friends found in the sky. I'm only getting older. I've never had a shoulder to cry on, someone to call mine. Everybody's falling in love and I'm falling touch the ocean, feel right in, slept outside and burn my skin. My life won't go my way. Bossa Nova in my room, hope that I'll find someone to love. Because the sun's engaged to the sky, my best friends found in a guy. I'm only getting older. I've never had a shoulder to cry on, someone to call mine. Everybody's falling in love and I'm falling behind. Everybody's falling in love. Everybody's falling in love. Everybody's falling in love. Up the staircase, first door to your left. Walls of wire window and white fence. A treasure chest of everything I've ever known. Safe inside my page childhood home. Every record I have ever heard. I know every melody and every word. A little book of every Take down the posters of the pop stars on the wall. Every room it looks so small. All of the laughter, all the sleepless nights, waiting forever after, snow falling outside, keeping on the nightlight. Take down the posters of the pop stars on the wall. Empty room, it feels so small. All of the laughter, all the sleepless nights, waiting forever after, snow falling outside, keeping on the nightlight. Will you let me come closer to you? I know that you're older, but what can I do? I leave in the morning, I'll forget that I am surely falling. Grew up in a case of fragile glass, but hammer away, it's time to crash. And as it shatters, let me shatter into you. The soft candle glow, the music so slow, your skin on my skin, the room is spinning, nerve on my bone, I'm shaking, no, no, I'm talking though I shouldn't be, I lost all sensibility. Ooh, I've never been so fragile. It's been a year and 40 days since you picked me up and swept me away. I wanted to run with you into the midnight sun with you. Now I sit around and rust in rain, turn into dust as I just wait for someone to hold me like you did that night. I still remember the soft candle glow, the music so slow, your skin on my skin, the room kept spinning round. I'm alone, through town on my own. I'm missing you, I shouldn't be. I've lost all sensibility. Ooh, I've never been so fragile. The skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope without you. I'm in a reckless fever, lost your collect teaser. Thought I'd never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind, I'm working overtime to have you in my world. Oh, what a curse it is to be a lover girl. Forced to get creative, wrote my feelings down. The independent lady in me's nowhere to be found. I can't wait another day to see you. How embarrassing to be this way. I'm in a reckless fever, lost your girl at teaser. Thought I'd never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind, I'm working overtime to have you in my world. Oh, what a curse it is to be in love. I wait by the phone like a high school movie. Dream at the shows, you come running to me. Think I see you in the wings that I'm hallucinating. What a reckless fever, lost your girl at teaser. Thought I'd never be her. Quite the job you've done on me, sir. You've been hosting parties. In my mind, I'm working overtime. You've become my whole world. Oh, what a curse it is to be a lover girl. I've rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it and it's kind of weird. It tells me I'm pretty, don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help. 'Cause I think I'm falling in love this time. Heartbreaking suddenly, I had a love inside. Bum, bum, ba-da-da, ba-ba-dum, ba-da-da, ba-dum, ba-ba-da, ba-dum, ba-dum, what if he's the last one I kiss? What if he's the only one I'll ever miss? Maybe I should run, I'm only 21. I don't even know who I want to become. I've lost all control of my heartbeat now. Got caught in a romance with him somehow. I still feel the shock through every bone when they hear and I love you. 'Cause now I've got someone to lose. Then suddenly